Hi, how's it going? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange. I'd like to welcome all of our subscribers and followers worldwide. Today I'm bringing you an absolutely beautiful 1970s Chevy Chevelle SS. This car has been shot in a original factory black cherry with white stripes, black interior. So the car is spec'd out proper from the factory, and it is loaded with options. This is going to be, probably one of the most highest options Chevelle's I've ever seen. Starting from power disc brakes, power steering, power seat, power windows, power door locks, power trunk release. There's not an option it really doesn't have on it. And then it also has the air conditioning from the factory. So this is an absolutely beautiful car. I do have a nice build sheet for the car that's on my website that I was able to find on the gas tank of the car. So I'll tell you right away, paint was shot about 3 months ago on the car, and it's absolutely beautiful. They laid it out perfectly. Lines are seamless on it, so it's a really beautiful paint job that's gapped out nicely as well. What we're going to do right now is we're going to kind of give you a quick briefing on what I'm seeing on the interior. We'll take it for a lap, and then we're going to do a nice walk around all the way on the car. So interior wise, I'm giving the car 9.9 out of 10. Everything is beautiful, no cracks in the dash. Door panels are very nice on it. Seats are very nice, carpet set as well. Headliner has no issues there. Seatbelts are original to it. All the power windows are working. Power door locks are currently working. Steering wheel is beautiful. I'm not really seeing a negative aspect to the interior here, so pretty great all around. So what I want to do is now let's go for a test drive on the car, and we'll see what I kind of feel on the car. First off, starts up right away, nice and easy. Shift pattern seems really nice on it as well. Reverse lockout's working too. Nice feature it does have, it has electronic cutouts. If you hear that rumble, but it does give it some extra oomph if you're going for that. Alright, so let's off nice. Clutch seems like it's grabbing it right at the perfect spot. Steering's nice and tight. Tracking in a straight line. Steering wheel's nice and perfectly straight. Wow. I'm half throttle on this thing, and that thing was pulling. Absolutely beautiful build on this car too. It is an electronic ignition in the car as well. It's sporting some headers. Has a really nice sound to it. Nothing that's going to be over the top, but they did a lot of nice things to the car. And on my website as well, I will have a sheet that has the full specs on the engine build of the car too. Steering's great, brakes are good. Let's get it over here and get on her a little bit and see what kind of performance I'm getting. And I'm guessing if I get on her a little bit, she's going to want to move, but I'm going to come to a stop right here. Got a nice Alpine radio here. Some nice speakers. All the gears shifted smoothly. Did about 60 miles per hour right there, so she wants to get up and move pretty well. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a little walk around on the car. I'm going to show you how nice this paint really truly is on it. All my specs are on my website at mcecars.com, and please feel free to give us a call at 1-708-388-5277. I'll be able to answer any questions for you, any documentation you need. I got a good binder on the car as well. So let's do our walk around now. you.